What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to take a look at a detailed specification of the iQOO Z3 5G, which is going to launch on 8th of June in India. So here we have the information about its processor, the display, the camera, the battery backup and also the storage variants. So if you are new here, then considering subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. Now starting off with the display of the iQOO Z3, then it will be coming with a 6.5 inch of 120Hz display of 1080p resolution, and the display will be LCD panel instead of an AMOLED. Now considering and also the price of this phone, then it is a decent offering, not that much great and also not below. Next one, let's talk about the battery life of the iQOO Z3. The phone will be having a 4400 mAh battery with a 55 watt fast charging technology, which is again subpar with this price point. Also, let's talk about now the storage variant. The iQOO Z3 base storage will be of 6 plus 128GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and also on the camera side it will come with a triple camera setup in the iQOO Z3, and it will be of 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel, where the 64 megapixels will be the primary sensor of the Z3, 8 megapixel will be the ultra wide lens, and 2 megapixel of depth or a macro lens. Now if we talk about its processor, then as I've said, it will be of 768 Snapdragon, and you can also find a comparison in the link above or the link in the description below with how well does it goes with the Snapdragon 780. Now talking about the price of the iQOO Z3, it will be of approximate 22 to 24,000 rupees in India, and it can go to lower to or near to 18,000 or the 19,000 price mark with the offers of coming from the Flipkart and its company's offer. So what do you think about the iQOO Z3? So should you consider buying the iQOO Z3, or you should wait for the iQOO Z3, or you should just skip the phone and wait for the OnePlus Nord CE or the Nord 2? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.